Hey guys! Dito ulit si Lana. Gagawa ko ng makeup tutorial. Di ko na alam ba't Tagalog ako kasi sabi daw ng nanay ko matigas. So, pa-practice na lang ako. Practice. So, I'm about to do like an everyday makeup tutorial. Just cause like, your girl just wants to keep posting on YouTube. Just for fun, you know, like, just a fun thing. Let's just do Snapchatting. Okay, let's just get on the video because I really need to poop first. Like, today I'm gonna show you guys how to look like me, and this is just a really simple normal makeup tutorial. And someone's mom was just staring at me, but you know, that's okay. Let me show you a little haul of what I got. Today I got me a Texas Instruments calculator. This was like really expensive but really worth it. Like, do you see that? Like, I went to summer school because I want to be in advanced math or whatever. Ooh, oh, okay. You know what? Let's get started. Mom is literally watching Korean drama and I'm about to like, okay, I want to be in the shade, so let's stay here. I'm just gonna start off with my e.l.f. Because I really hate this product, and it's just really oily and it smells like Fabuloso, if you know what that is. But well, okay, beautiful. Oh my god, putting on makeup is worth it. Just want to leave it. Okay, I think that's like good enough. It's already setting really fast, which oh god, this is such a good like foundation. It's really heavy too, which is really good for your skin. And my skin can't really even breathe right now, but you know, that's okay. Next, what we're gonna do is take the Born This Way, because it's just really good for your skin. Naturally radiant concealer. It's like really oily, but that's okay because you just want that natural glow. Oh, okay, right now we're just gonna set everything with this banana powder, and kid you not, this is the best. Like, it's really dry on your skin. It's literally just the best right now. Hold up. Just like smear this. Wow. Oh god, such good powder. I got this from the dollar store, not my shade, but it's still really good. Make that arch. Okay, there you go. Just like, and people like to fake the hairs up front, so. Oh, wow. Anyways, next let's move on to bronzer. This bronzer has a lot of shimmer in it. Not the best, but that's what everyone loves in a bronzer. Oh my, wow, that's so blotchy, but that's so nice. Let's use the blush NARS. The name is, and that's kind of a bad word, so let me bleep that out. But it looks like this. This blush is like really good blush. I just don't like the name, you know, like, why have such a dirty name for god? So pretty. This, it's in the Tarte's palette. Hope you've heard of it. It's Fire. You know the song Fire? Okay. It's Fire. So nice and dark. Still stays there, but you know, that's okay. Really good. Oh my god, wow. Whoa. Holy cow, like, see, if you even put the white, like, it'll make no difference. Like, still the same, but wow. Now let's just dig on the next pan to try to get color, you know, because really good palette. Okay. Next, let's use a nano liner, because why not? This is really good because it's really flimsy and it doesn't even get it on the right spot. And it's kind of harsh too, so, you know. Wow. Oh my god. Let's like make little hairs. No, I cut nose hairs too, cause why not? Lips. I really love this one because it really stings your eye, like your lips, and it really hurts, but you know, it's just the best. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed the video. That took a turn. Thanks for watching. Like, I have no eyebrows right now because I took them off, but peace. Bye.